while since that one is still loading. I want you to tell me what did you get for this question?
Which one?
Yes, A.
I got B over C.
B over C, so because it's adjacent over hypotenuse. Yeah, B over C, which is correct. And then what about tan theta?
Tan theta.
Yes.
I got A over B.
A over B, which is correct. What about this one? Sin 90 degrees minus theta.
Is it 1 minus A over C?
1
If I'm correct.
minus A over C. So that's incorrect. That's incorrect. So remember there was this time, I don't know why this one's like. So remember we have a triangle like this, right? We have a triangle like this.
Yes.
This triangle has a theta here. You can draw a theta here. So we have and then we have a 90 degrees here. So remember this is an angle. Remember? So this inside here, this inside side, it's also an angle. So it's 90 degrees minus theta, right? So it's 90 degrees minus theta. So we want to know what is that angle? What is angle 90 degrees minus theta? It's going to be here, right?
Yes.
If this is small letter A, big letter A is going to be here. If this is small letter C, big letter C is going to be here. So now we want to find angle B. So we can say this is B, this is C, this is A.
Yes.
So now we want to find angle B. So we know
B.
Yes.
So are we gonna use the trigonometric ratios?
Nope. Sum of angles of a triangle. So we're going to say B plus A plus C is going to be equals to what?
Is equals to 1.
Is equals to 180. So, but we already know what is A. What is A? What is angle A? What is angle A?
Angle A is theta.
And then what is angle C?
Angle C is 90 degrees.
90 degrees. Equals to 180. So this is 180 plus B, right?
Yes.
So we want to solve for B. So obviously our B is going to be equals to what?
Our B is equals to theta.
Okay, let's start with this 180 here. Remember it's 180.
Okay, 180. 180 minus 90.
Minus 90.
Minus theta.
Minus theta. So B is what?
Angle B is equals to 90 minus
90 minus theta. And then since the question says that we want to find 90 degrees minus theta. So now we already know that angle B is actually 90 degrees minus theta. Okay. So what is sine of 90 degrees minus theta?
Sine of 90 minus angle we use the form of angle, so it's angle B.
Yeah, it's angle B, right? What is sine of angle? What is sine of angle B?
Sine of angle B. It's gonna be B over C.
B over C. So your answer for here is supposed to be B over C. Now, we're given that A is 5 units and theta is 50 degrees, right?
Yes.
Now, calculate the numerical value of B.
My answer was C. It's accent. It's going to change it.
Yeah. So I want to see. Just take me step by step on how you do it. So here it's 5, right? And then here theta. Our theta is 50 degrees, right?
Yes.
We're
looking for
B.
B. Yes.
This side, right? We're looking for this side here, right?
Yes. Yes.
So how did you do it?
First off, I said tan theta.
You said sine.
Is equals to
You said sine.
tan.
Oh, tan. Tan theta.
Opposite over adjacent.
What is our opposite? It's A, right?
It's 5. It's opposite.
It's A, right?
Yes.
Over B, right?
Over B. Yes.
And then you were like tan of 50, right? You substitute it
yes.
now. Okay, tan equals to 5 over
B.
Over B. I don't have space here, but I'm gonna write it here. 5 over B. Just gonna write it here. Then what did you do?
After that, I cross
multiply.
Then I divide by 50%.
Okay.
So get the 50, which is gonna be B tan equals to 1 over 10. Then transpose tan to the other side.
What did you do?
I divided divide by 50 both sides.
Okay, that was your mistake. Okay, I want to show you something. We are solving for b, right?
Yes.
We have to divide both sides. Remember, this 50 goes with this tan. Everywhere tan goes, it goes with its own 50. It's one and the same thing. This thing, we are going to treat it as one thing. Okay? So
Yes.
you had to divide by tan of 50. Do you understand? Your b is supposed to be something like this. B equals to 5 over tan 50. So you have to punch this on your calculator. 5 over tan 50 on your calculator. And tell me what you get.
Okay. 5 over 150. Even the value what is the max 5 is 4.2.
It's equals to 4,2. That's how you find your b.
It's given that 5 cos beta
5.
minus 3
I only want to write that 5 cos
beta
beta. Okay, 5 cos beta.
minus 3
Minus 3.
equals to 0.
Minus 3 is equal to 0. So,
And
then what's given again?
0 degree
0 degrees
is less than beta,
less than beta.
and beta is less than 90.
And beta is less than 90. So I only want this 2 in. So first thing, take this to the right hand side. Always take this to the right hand side, and then we'll remain with what?
You know what I mean? It's plus 3
5 cos
b
beta equals to what?
beta is equals to 3.
Is equals to what? And then, secondly, we want to remain with cos beta. We are going to divide by 5.
Yes.
We are going to divide by 5 on both sides.
Cos, yeah, cos.
Yeah, so it's like this, and then we start here. We say cast C A S
S.
T. Ne?
Yes.
And then don't forget, whenever you're writing cast, don't forget to put those degrees. There's 0, 90, 180, and we are going to look at this. We're just going to examine this. Ne?
Yes.
And then from this 4 quadrants, we are going to look at where cos is positive. Remember, this side, is this a positive number or a negative number?
It's a positive number.
It's a positive number. According to this quadrants, remember this is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4, right?
Yes.
We are going to choose a quadrant where cos is positive. Remember, this is cos. Remember, this cos actually is leading us somewhere. This cos beta is positive, right?
Yes.
We are going to look at the quadrant where cos is actually positive. Which quadrants are that?
It's quadrant 1
Mhm.
and 2.
Quadrant 1 and 2. Why did you say 2?
What we have to do is it should be less than 90.
It should. Okay. First things first, look at where cos is positive. Where is cos positive?
Or quadrant 4 and
Quadrant 4 and
quadrant 1.
quadrant 4 and 1. Yeah. First things first, you circle your quadrants. First thing, you circle your quadrants. Remember, quadrant 4 only cos is positive, and quadrant 1, all of them are positive, right?
Yes.
Now we are going to look at the statement. That's another step. That's step number 2. Look at the statement. The statement says what?
Is it means 0 is less than beta and beta is less than 90?
Meaning the intervals are moving from 0 degrees to where? To 90 degrees, right?
Yes.
So we are going to focus from 0 degrees up until 90 degrees. Remember, when we are measuring angles, we are moving anti-clockwise, right? So
Yes.
from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, what quadrant is that?
0 degrees.
Mhm.
Well, it's the first quadrant.
It's the first quadrant. So we are going to use the first quadrant. Are we clear?
Yes.
Okay. So, and since while we chose the first quadrant, we are going to draw a line like this. We're going to draw a line going this way, going up.
Yeah, you're not to this again.
Yeah?
You're not to this again.
Can you see the screen?
No, I cannot.
You can. So since when we chose the first quadrant, remember this is the first quadrant, and this is the second quadrant, and this is the third, and this is the fourth, right?
Yes.
So since when we chose the first quadrant, we are going to draw a line in the first quadrant, and this line represents our R. Ne?
Yes.
And then we are going to draw a vertical line. This vertical line has to be perpendicular to this. So we are going to draw a triangle. We are going to draw a right angle triangle in the first quadrant. Ne?
Yes.
After drawing this triangle, remember we are going to use, and then remember beta is here. Beta is on the first quadrant, right?
Yes.
So why did we draw this line? This line actually tells us that beta started from 0 degrees. Actually, yeah, 0 is in between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. Remember our 0 degrees is here. So beta is moving from 0 degrees to actually 90 degrees. I hope you understand what I'm trying to tell you.
Yes.
It's clear, right? Remember 90 degrees is somewhere here. So remember we have cos beta. Sorry, beta here.
So we're gonna make beta the subject of the formula.
Cos beta the subject of the formula, right?
Yes, cos beta.
Step number 2. Trigonometric ratios. Okay, let's use the trigonometric ratios.
You can use sine.
Sine
Beta
beta
is equals to
is equals to
4 over 5.
4 over 5.
Multiply by 5 plus 9.
Solve for beta. Remember this is sine beta, right? We want to make beta the subject of the formula, so we want to remove this sign in order to remain with beta. So what is our beta?
Our beta, let me see. It's gonna be accent.
To the question, from this we can actually solve for alpha. Since we know what is beta, whether it's beta we can substitute beta. We can see alpha plus 53
plus 53,13
is equals to 90, right?
Yes.
So what is our alpha?
Well, alpha is 36,9. If it's one decimal.
36. It's what?
36,9.
That's our alpha.
Yes.
And then now we can calculate the value of cot alpha. What will be cot alpha?
Cot alpha is the reciprocal of tan.
Yeah, so we're going to change this one.
So that be adjacent over opposite.
Adjacent over opposite. So this is going to be 1 over tan, right?
Yes.
1 over tan. And then what is our alpha?
Our alpha is 36,6,9.
So you can punch this on your calculator and find the value of this. Calculate.
1,33.
1,33. Okay, change it to a fraction. Can you change it into a fraction? This is going to be what? 4 over 3, right? Yeah, 4 over 3. You can punch 4 over 3 on your calculator and see what is 4 over 3. So yeah, this is it about this kind of question. So I want to give you a question similar to this one, just now. So I want you to try it out, see whether you will get it. So the first question is find the value of x, y, and r. I'll be right back.
Yes.
What is your r?
My R is 17.
And what is your x? And what is your y? Wrong. Wrong.
Check my mistake.
Check your signs. You got your x. You said your x. So let me write it here. That's negative 15.
Okay, I don't understand it. It's a mistake. What you mean by it?
Negative 8.
Yeah,
Your first answer was correct. Your 8. The 8 was actually correct. The problem was your sign. Remember, I told you about this thing called, I said, write your answers as plus or minus. Remember you got 8, right? Plus or minus. Then you choose. Check your y-axis. Is your y-axis positive or negative?
it's negative.
It's negative. It's on the negative axis. So it's negative 8 or minus. So don't forget that part. So now, without the use of a calculator now, I want you to calculate the value of sine beta and this one. Yeah, in fraction form. What is it?
It's 32 over 35.
Let's see. I don't trust that one. I don't trust that solution. So what is cos 30?
Plus 30.
Yes.
Special over cube 3.
Let's see. 30 is here. It's going to be what?
It's going to be 2. I think I missed it. It was I didn't over. Oh, okay. Over 4. It's 2 over 5.
2 over 500. So now, calculate the size of R and the OP, correct, to 2 decimal places. So calculate R and the OP, this angle, correct, to 2 decimal places. I'm getting negative 28,072 degrees. Okay, let's see. How did you do it? You said, what is our sine of B?
I used sine of B, right?
Which is equals to what?
Negative 8 over 17.
Negative 8 over 17. And then what did you do next?
And that's both side to the other side.
Giving us the arc
Is the arc.
sine of. Are you sure? Did you punch arc sine of 8 over 17? And what are you getting?
32,23.
Ain't no way.
32.
Exam, press that. And then I want you to press sine arc of negative 8 over 17 on your calculator. I want to see what you get now. It's what?
Negative 2.
Yes. Negative 28
0.07.
0.07. That's supposed to be your answer there. And then now solve. Now make it positive. Make it positive. And then now find R angle. R angle what one? R angle. R angle. I'm even lazy today, but I even forgot what is that. And then don't forget. Yeah, 2 decimal places. It's going to be what? It's not going. No, it's not going to be that one. Remember, I want to show you something. Remember, you got for this angle here. For this angle here, we got 28 degrees, right?
Yes.
28, comma what? 0.07.
Yes.
Now we are looking for the other side. Now we are looking for this angle. We're looking for this angle. What comes into your mind?
So I'm gonna do an angle.
Sum of angles on a straight line.
No, I forgot the basics.
Eh?
I forgot the basics.
I can see that you also forgot the basics, bruh. Sum of angles on a straight line. Sum of angles on a straight line equals to 180. So you're going to say 180 minus 28.07. And then what are you getting for R angle? This was supposed to be a final answer. It's just the beginning. So I want us to do this one. This will be our last question. I want you to solve for x here. What is the answer for the first one? Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm waiting. 100. And then the second one. Do the second one. The second one requires you to do the 5.67. I wanna see whether you. Okay, let's do it together. I don't think that one is actually true. So we're given what? We're given sec of
X under 10. Sec bracket x plus 10.
X plus 10
equals to 5.78.
5.
Distribution.
That's wrong. So I want to tell you something. This thing inside the brackets, it's an angle. Ne?
Yes.
So first things first, we want to remove this and remain with this angle. What is the core function? What is the core ratio of sec?
It's cos.
It's 1 over cos, right? I want to teach you something. Ne? It might sound new to you. So we are going to multiply both sides by to the power of -1 and also the side. What actually happens here? Ne? What does this actually mean? Our denominator will be our numerator, and our numerator will be our denominator, and also the right hand side. Ne?
Yes.
So this means that cos of x and then what's that on your calculator? Punch it on your calculator and tell me what is that.
Yes.
We're going to remove this cos. So x plus 10 is going to be equal to
7.39.98.
this 10 to the right hand side, which is going to be minus 10, right? So x is equals to 69.98. Did you get the procedure?
Yes.
Yeah, so don't forget, treat this thing inside the bracket as one thing, as an angle. It's always, don't treat it like it's separate, and then don't ever make this mistake like multiplying everything inside the brackets. No, this thing is an angle, so we don't treat it the way we are treating other things.
Yes.
Yeah, so and I want your answer in 2 decimal places.
Yes.
And also during the test, all your solutions should be in 2 decimal places.
Okay. Is the answer 40,39?
Correct. Yeah, you got it right. So yeah, that's it about today's lesson.